Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to my class. So if you are new to my channel, I must tell you that we discuss German language, German vocabulary and all the German exam tips here. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comments. I will make video on it. Today we are starting with Zwei Prüfung Vorbereitung, means Zwei exam preparation. To start with, I have found reference similar to the task which I'll be discussing in today's video, and this reference is from the book Zwei Prüfung. You can find the title of the book on the top of the page. So let's start with today's video. In this style of lesen and schreiben, we have two emails. One is from my team leader, means my team leader, to me. This is the first email. And the second is a complaint from the customer. And my team leader will assign this complaint to me and I have to reply to this customer. And while replying, I must take care all the points which my team leader has asked me to write in the email while replying to customer. Here in this email, my team leader has asked me to write an email in order to resolve a complaint of wrongly or defect in the installed window. And I'll be writing an email for the same, for this complaint. And while writing, I must take care for the Anrede means salutation, Höflichkeit means politeness, and formal Sprache means formal language in my email. Now let's start with the task. So I have written, Zunächst einmal tut uns der Defekt am eingebauten Fenster sehr leid. Ihre Reklamation ist nun an mich weitergeleitet und ich werde versuchen, Ihnen die beste Lösung anzubieten. Ihre Reklamation zu bearbeiten, benötige ich Ihre aktuelle Adresse, wo die Defekt aufgetreten ist, damit ich unsere erfahrensten Techniker dorthin schicken kann. Der neue Techniker wird sich die Angelegenheit unternehmen und versuchen, den Defekt schnellstmöglich zu beheben. Angesichts unserer bestehenden guten Geschäftsverbindung hoffe ich, dass diese Situation auf unsere Beziehung keine Auswirkung hat und Sie unsere Dienste auch in Zukunft nutzen werden. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Frau Sharma. And that is all about this task. You have to write this email in a short and precise way. Also, while dictating the email, I did not mention the translation of any word. You can refer the description for the translation and let me know in the comments if you have any doubts about it. Also, let me know if you want me to make another video on A2 vocabulary. I will continue with the A2 vocab series if you guys want it. And this is it for today. I hope to see you guys once again tomorrow with new task and maybe with the new German vocab words. So for now, auf Wiedersehen and bis morgen everyone.